Hello students, I am Prerna Seth, Assistant Teacher in Government High School Jayanagar, Shamshabad, Agra. Today we will study about the topic negative sentences in English grammar. Students, in today's class we will learn difference between affirmative and negative sentences. Change the sentences into negative by using adverb not. Change the sentences into negative by using negative words. Students, before we start studying about negative sentences, let us have a short revision about sentences and its kinds. I hope students, you must be familiar with the concept of sentence and its kinds. What is a sentence? Yes students, a sentence is a group of words that are arranged in a way to convey complete sense. So students, a group of words that give us complete sense or meaning is called a sentence. According to functions, sentences can be classified into four kinds: assertive or declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Let us understand these four kinds of sentences with the help of examples. Assertive sentence. An assertive sentence is a sentence that states a fact. Dear students, these sentences start with subject and end with a full stop. You can see in this example, the train is late today. In this sentence, the train is subject and this sentence has a full stop in the end. So we can say that this sentence is an assertive sentence. Imperative sentence. An imperative sentence is a sentence that gives a command. These sentences give us command, order, request and advice. For example, Vivek, go to your room at once. It is an order. So we can say that this sentence is an imperative sentence. Interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence asks a question. Example, where is my pen? Students, this sentence is asking a question. So we can say that this sentence is an interrogative sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Sentence that expresses sudden and strong feelings are called exclamatory sentences. And these sentences end with a sign of exclamation. What a shame! This sentence expresses sudden and strong feelings and it has an exclamatory mark in the end. So we can say that this sentence is an exclamatory sentence. Declarative sentences are of two kinds: affirmative or positive sentence, negative sentence. So students, let me ask you a few questions. According to functions, how many kinds of sentences are there? Yes students, according to functions, there are four kinds of sentences: assertive or declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. How many kinds of declarative sentences are there? Yes, students, there are two types of declarative sentences, affirmative or positive and negative sentences. What is a negative sentence? Student, sentences that have no or not in them are called negative sentences. Let us try to understand the difference between affirmative and negative sentences. Affirmative means a positive answer. An example of an affirmative statement is answering a question with the word yes. Affirmative is defined as something that confirms the truth. Example, he is learning his lesson. A negative sentence is a sentence that states something that is false or incorrect. In English, we create negative sentences by adding the word not. Example, he is not learning his lesson. Students, we can make negative sentences either with a change in their meanings or without changing their meanings. So in this class, we will learn to change the sentences into negative with a change in their meanings. We can make negative sentences by two ways. First is by using not in a sentence and the second is by using negative words in a sentence. So let us try to make sentences into negative by using not in a sentence. Students, when be and have verbs are used as ordinary or full verbs, not as auxiliary verbs, we put not after these verbs to make a sentence negative. Students, I am sure you must be familiar with be verbs and have verbs. Is, are, am, was and were are be verbs and has, have, had are have verbs. So when these verbs come as full verbs, not as a helping verb, we put not after these verbs to make a sentence negative. Let us understand with the help of these examples. His son is an engineer. Here is the form of be verb and it is used here as a full verb. So we will put not after is to make this sentence negative. So we will write, his son is not an engineer. He has a new pen. Here has is a full verb over here. It is used over here as a full verb, not as a helping verb. So we will put not after has. So we will write, he has not a new pen. Or we can make this sentence like this way also, he does not have a new pen. Students, the sentences which contain have can be changed into negative by two ways. First way is by adding not, as you see in the first example. He has not a pen. Here we have used not after has to make the sentence negative, or by using don't have, doesn't have or didn't have. Students, as you know, don't have, doesn't have are the verbs used for present tense and did not is the verb used for past tense. So as you can see that this sentence, he has a new pen, is in present tense. So we will use either don't have or doesn't have. As you can see that he is third person and singular number. So we will use doesn't have or does not have with he. And we will write sentence, he does not have a new pen. When be verbs is, are, am, was, were, have verbs, has, have, had, and modals can, could, will, shall, etc. are used as auxiliary verbs where they support main verbs. We put not between auxiliary and main verbs. So students, when be verbs and have verbs are used as helping verb and where they support main verbs, so we put not between helping verb and main verb to make sentence negative. Let us see with the help of these examples. He is singing a song. In this sentence, is helping verb over here and it is supporting main verb singing. So we will put not between is and singing to make this sentence negative. So we will write, he is not singing a song. My brother has cleaned the floor. Here, has is the helping verb and it is supporting main verb cleaned. So we will put not between helping verb and main verb. So we will write, my brother has not cleaned the floor. She can do this. Here can is the modal verb and it is supporting main verb do. So we will put not between can and do to make this sentence negative. So we will write, she cannot do this. Students, if there are two auxiliaries verbs before main verb, we put not between two auxiliaries. Let us understand with the help of these examples. I have been reading for 2 hours. In this sentence, have and been are two auxiliaries which have been used before main verb reading. So we will put not between these two auxiliaries to make this sentence negative. So we will write, I have not been reading for 2 hours. Next example is, their team can be defeated. Here, before the main verb defeated, two auxiliaries have been used, which are can and be. So we will put not between these two auxiliaries to make this sentence negative. So we will write, their team cannot be defeated. Students, in interrogative sentences, auxiliary verbs come before subject. We put not after subject. Let us understand this with the help of some examples. Do they play cricket? In this sentence, do is auxiliary verb and it has been used before subject they. So we will put not after they to make this sentence negative. So we will write, do they not play cricket? Next example is, have you fed him? In this sentence, have is an auxiliary verb which has been used before subject you. So we will put not after you to make this sentence negative. So we will write, have you not fed him? Students, here is an important rule. Short negative of auxiliary verbs can be put before subject to make a sentence negative. For example, can he swim? We can make this sentence either this way, can he not swim, by putting not after the subject he. Or we can make the sentence like this also, can't he swim? Here in the sentence we have used short negative of auxiliary verb can. to make this sentence negative. Students, in imperative sentence, we use do not to make it negative. Students, I am sure you are well acquainted that imperative sentences start with first form of the verb or words like please and kindly. So we use do not in these sentences to make negative. For example, put on your coat. In this sentence, put on is the first form of the verb. So we will put do not before first form of the verb to make sentences negative. So we will write do not put on your coat. Next example is turn off the radio. Here turn off is the first form of the verb. So we will put do not before turn off to make this sentence negative. So we will write do not turn off the radio. Please cook food. In this sentence, here is the word please before first form of the verb. So we will put not between please and first form of the verb. So we will write please do not cook food. Sometimes there is not an auxiliary verb in the sentence. When that happens, we add a form of the word do as the auxiliary verb before the word not. In present indefinite, we use does or do. And in past indefinite, we use did. Students, here are the forms of verb used in affirmative. If there is first form of the verb, then we change it into do not plus first form of the verb. If there is first form of the verb with s or es, so we put does not plus first form of the verb. If there is second form of the verb, we use did not plus first form of the verb. So students, here are some examples. First example is his father works in a factory. This sentence is in present indefinite tense and here verb is used with a s, that is works. So what will we do? We will put does not plus first form of the verb to make this sentence a negative sentence. So what will we write? We write his father does not work in a factory. Second sentence is we need a scooter. This sentence is also in present indefinite. But here first form of the verb has been put, that is need. So what will we do? We will put do not plus first form of the verb to make this sentence a negative sentence. So we will write we do not need a scooter. The next sentence is the train arrived late. This sentence is in past indefinite and here second form of the verb arrived has been used. So what will we do? We will put did not plus first form of the verb to make this sentence negative. So we will write the train did not arrive late. Students, we can make sentences negative by using negative words. We can make sentences negative by applying negative words. For example, always or ever changes into seldom or never. Let's see these examples. He had always been poor. Here we will change always into never to make this sentence a negative sentence. So we will write he had never been poor. He ever speaks the truth. Here we will change ever into never to make this sentence negative. So we will write, he never speaks the truth. Students, some or every changes into no. For example, someone changes into not anyone or no one. Something changes into not anything or nothing. Somewhere changes into not anywhere or nowhere. Everyone or everybody changes into nobody. Everything changes into nothing. And everywhere changes into nowhere. Students, here are some examples. We have some information for you. In this sentence, we have this word some. We will change this word some into no and write the sentence, we have no information for you. Or we can make the sentence in negative like this also, we have not any information for you. In this sentence, we have used not any. She gave him something to eat. Here we have this word something. We will change something into nothing. So we will write sentence, she gave him nothing to eat. Or she did not give him anything to eat. In the sentence we have used not anything. They helped someone in the election. In this sentence, we have this word someone. We will change someone into no one. So we will write, they helped no one in the election. Or they did not help anyone in the election. In this sentence, we have used not anyone to make this sentence negative. Everybody sang a song. Here we have everybody in this sentence. We will change everybody into nobody to make this sentence negative. So we will write nobody sang a song. Next sentence is we went everywhere. Here we have word everywhere. We will change this word everywhere into nowhere to make this sentence negative. So we will write we went nowhere. He gave me everything. Here we have the word everything. We will change word everything into nothing. So we will write the sentence like this. He gave me nothing. Last sentence is everyone was shocked to hear the news. Here we have the word everyone. We will change everyone into no one to make this sentence negative. So we will write no one was shocked to hear the news. Students, either or changes into neither nor. Let us understand with the help of some examples. They can play either cricket or hockey. In this sentence, students, we will change either into neither and or into nor to make this sentence negative. So we will write they can play neither cricket nor hockey. Here is another example. She can have either tea or coffee. We will change either into neither and or into nor to make this sentence negative. So we will write she can have neither tea nor coffee. I hope students you have understood rules well. So let us have a small recapitulation and see what we have learnt in this class. Change these sentences into negative. First sentence is, my sister speaks French. Yes, students, I hope you must be thinking the same answer. My sister does not speak French. Why we have used does not over here? Because there is first form of verb with S. Speaks. So we will change this first form of verb with S into does not plus first form of the verb. So we will use does not speak. Second sentence is I sold that book yesterday. Yes, students, I did not sell that book yesterday. Why we have used did not over here? Because there is second form of the verb in the question. So we will use did not plus first form of the verb. We write a letter. Write. Write is the first form of the verb. So while making negative, we will use do not plus first form of the verb. So we will write, we do not write a letter. Next sentence is, this child always asks a silly question. Yes, students, this is a very easy question. You will change always into never. So we will write, this child never asks a silly question. Someone will help the old woman. Yes, students, you will change someone into no one. So we will write, no one will help the old woman. Students, I am giving you a home assignment. I hope you will do it with proper attention. Change these sentences into negative. He accepted his mistake. Mohan is a wise man. I like coffee. We heard someone knocking at the door. She loves to sing. Wait for me at the station. Please switch on the light. I hope students you have enjoyed this class. Thank you.